Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Today we're going to have this video in regards to your strategy on how to get keywords, have a little research for your website, and before you add in anything like from a blog post, from podcast, from if you are a content creator, a course, and then afterwards try to put them on into your website. I will show you all of those things that I'm personally using to have my SEO strategy, because we always speak about growing your business, but SEO is a very important part, and you need to actually get organized and do a little bit of research before you add in anything to your website. There is a lot of keyword research tools out there. I mean, some of them they're free, some of them they're paid, but we're going to have a look through some of the paid, some of the free, and I'm using some of those, so I think a good research SEO tool is always needed. And remember that if you want to grow your business, this is one part, and you always need to have a strategy. I mean, if you are on Google or Pinterest, or I know Twitter is growing with different ways, but including hashtags is also some sort of, you need to do some correct research. In any platform, you need to actually follow in a strategy to grow. And if you want to grow Google and on Pinterest, obviously you need to have a good SEO research tools to grow your business. And also, it's going to be good for you if you are put it all in a document, perhaps, and keep notes about how to actually use the words and the questions that have been asked during, your search. Have a little organized, your research before you start in adding things to your website. I think it's always helping me to be ready ahead, and especially for not only for content creators, but for business owners online. Anyone is going to need to have a strategy for SEO. Whatever you need to start getting organized, because you organize your content, you organize whatever products you are selling, even if it is organically, then your ads. You always need to have a strategy on how to grow the organic or your SEO research strategy is one part. Then you're probably going to have ads. Then you're going to have the content creator, like what are you going to offer for free, like freebies. So what do you going to attract to generate more leads, and then nurture the sale from there. So you need to think about the way you're going to grow your business. So I will show you a couple of ones. The one I'm using, I'm always using all of those, is first of all, the one is Surfer that I talked to you before, is Surfer. We can actually check it here. It's called surfer.com. Say Surfer SEO. Yes, that's the one. So if you, for example, it's free, it's very, very good, and then you pay like $1, I think it's per day or something. I use it. It's very, very good. It's very useful. But I do use other ones as well, so you can try and see how it goes. And always you can research if, for example, we go here, I was checking before Pinterest marketing strategy, for instance, and you could go here and you have all the volume, the keywords, the volume, the similarities, how much is the percentage of the people who searching. Well, it's really, really straightforward. It's not very difficult, and it's okay. It's actually very simple to use. It's not really so difficult. We can search for Christmas gift ideas, for instance. That would be something. And then the surfer actually is giving you the option to check which country you're searching. Like, you have all the countries, so you can choose which country you want to be ranked, and that is very, very good. So this is something that you are actually getting as a benefit from using it. And as you can see here, the estimated search volume for Christmas gift ideas is giving you here in the US is like 74,000, and then the cost per click for Google AdWords is $1.3. This is very, very good actually. You get also, if you advertise in Google, and that's something that you need to think about advertising in Google and how to optimize your ads correctly, because it doesn't matter how much money you spend on ads. You need to learn how to optimize your ads to make some money and make money, make sales, convert more clients. So that's some keys when you are searching for keywords. You need to put those things down. So you need to have this. One part of your strategy is your SEO research. Now, the next one is the keyword. I mean, I've got it. I know it was keyword everywhere. I know it was free. Now it's not free anymore, but it's not very expensive. And I think I like it because it's giving us a lot of options inside as well. I mean, I'm going to get my new key soon because it's not very, very expensive. You can try it. It's giving you a couple of options like for keywords, 1,000 keywords or volumes, like for $30 or $40 or something like that. It's not very expensive. And as you can see here, it's giving you also like how many credits the keywords have. All those keywords are from Keyword Everywhere. And you can export in a file. That's also another benefit for you. And it's giving you also inside more like questions and also, the dates and more in details about, again, the volume of the keywords. Is giving you phrases as well inside, and it's really, really simple to use. And also you can use it for a couple of free if you want to, but it doesn't give you the exact volume. But it's okay. I mean, it's pretty easy to use. I mean, Surfer and Keyword Everywhere is actually very simple to use when it comes to it. I know that now it's paid, but I actually like it. I like both. I use both. And the other one is I know it's expensive, but I really like it. It's SEMrush, and it's actually I think it's $90 or something for Pro, and it has different options. And as you can see here, for example, it's giving you the volume of the keyword. I was searching for Pinterest marketing, then it's giving you different countries, and it's giving you here the keywords and again related keywords, and it's giving you the questions, and that is very, very important. Like, for example, it's giving you how many questions and what type of questions do they ask. So let's go here. I think it's giving you also blog posts of people that they're ranking high on these keywords. And if you go inside the keyword tool, actually I think it has two different types. It's SEMrush Pro and it's another type, I mean, in terms of pricing, but I'm not quite sure. I mean, the Pro is for, for one, I think for one business, and then the other one has different options. So, but I use the Pro, so it's fine. And what you can do, I mean, if you're a bigger business that you want to have like a couple of people doing the research for you, you can also use that. And as you can see here, we have basically the broad match keywords, and then here by volume, we go by volume, then we go trends, and we also checking, I mean, if something that is very, very big, like 133M, that is very, very hard to, rank maybe. So you need to look very competitive keywords or phrases. You need to, have a look here. I find for something like for you to, use in order to grow your business. I mean, in general, I like SEMrush because you can actually, I use it for my clients. You can put a lot of the competitors. You can put the competitors' website and check what keywords they're using. And also you can check here the questions again. What questions do they ask? I mean, it's really, really good when it comes to, I know other people also, other business owners, I know they use it as well. I think SEMrush is really professional, and it's also giving you a lot of options. It's giving you topic research, it's giving you templates, it's giving you, ad history or your keywords, all if you can actually export them. Is something that is really professional. Is exactly that. Is for SEO. And again, you can see here, the Pinterest marketing I was searching for. So phrases, a question do they ask, is it good, marketing tool, the volume, and the rest also here. So you need to check on the right. And then again, all keywords, business, and you're going by numbers here. It's very interesting. You check on the left here the numbers, then you go checking by volume. It's very, very interesting. I mean, how many people, businesses on the ad group they're searching for, and again by volume here is very, very good for you, to grow your business. I think SEMrush is really good. I'm not an affiliate with any of those, but I'm actually use them. I think a good research on keywords before is helping you to grow. And remember that you need to put that in your strategy, because it's also a big, part, or even a small part. It can be a big or small, depend, how to define it. If you spend money on ads, it can be one part, then you have the ads. But again, you need to have the correct keywords on your blog post or your website in order to rank. And something, and you can play with it, because I play a lot with my keywords on with Surfer, sorry, not SEMrush, Surfer, and I notice a lot of, that what is working for me, what is not working, what type of volume do I need to use. So you need really to start doing it, because it is going to help you. And thank you very much for today. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like the video, leave your comments below, and I wish you well.